How to add a contact on Telegram. So the first step is by clicking or opening your Telegram app and then go to contacts found on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you have done that, you just simply click on the plus button found on the upper right corner and then right here, type in the first name, the last name of that contact, and then their phone number. So make sure to type in the appropriate country code. So for example, that I am in the Philippines, so our country code is 63 and 9. So you should then type in the rest of the number, and if that person has more than one number, then you may click on add phone right here, and then again type in their phone number. Click on create found on the upper right corner, and then that's it. That's how you can add a contact on Telegram.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.